AMBR stock analysis and price predictions for Friday. Is it a buy or not? Let's end the week quite strong. Having done well over 45,000 videos and 5 years of experience, which I've documented it all, you know, it's all on my YouTube channel. I've seen what's working for me and what's not. Especially with AMBR International, it's a bearish market, man. Like, simple. You know, I'm not saying this in a bad way or anything. It's just, this is my most recent prediction that I called it out on. I'm just following ranges at this point. Like, nothing crazy, nothing wow. Since then, since like 690-ish, I've been bearish. Oh, this only got 5 views, which is very sad. I don't know why I'm even making another video on this. But yeah. Even came up, came down, and now it's falling. Pre-market is very low, so my idea is on point as always. Now, please don't listen to me blindly. You know, don't take this as gospel. Do your own due diligence. But yeah, I'm just showing you my 2 cents on this. And if you want to get free money-making emails and insights, then just click the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.